Here we go then. Diaby. Koscielny. Debussy. Wilshere. Debussy. Here is Alexis Sanchez. Looking for width. Alexis Sanchez. Welbeck shoots. He scored!
Listen, the big names earn their reputations for precisely the reason we've just seen. They have a habit of making their presence felt, and here we are, early stages. He struck one, and he looks hungry for more.
What are your thoughts on the goal, Jim Beglin?
Yeah, I've got great admiration for the finish, but I've even more admiration for the pass that set it up. It was delicious.
Barcelona will be penalised for that. The ball's with Welbeck. Welbeck shoots! Sergio Busquets. Xavi. Forward it goes. Ramsey. Diaby. Wilshere. Debussy. It's Alexis Sanchez. Alexis Sanchez. The ball played into space nicely.
Well, he was given the time and room initially to hold on to the ball, but eventually he was squeezed that bit harder and the task became too much. I think he's got to be a little quicker in his distribution then and get others into the match.
That could have been really special.
And it just goes to show you how effective those through balls can be. All it needed was a better execution.
Leaps for the header. And in the end, that was wayward. Ramsey. Kieran Gibbs. Mertesacker. Wilshere. No, that's not going to make it through. Jordi Alba plays it long.